Today, we're going to be showing you guys how to adjust your idle mixture screw on a 302 carbureted truck. This is a very simple fix if you just took delivery of your vehicle and it may not be running at its best based on your location. So this should do the trick. With that said, let's dive into it. So the first step to this fix is actually turning on the vehicle and getting it up to temperature. Now we aren't going to be doing that today because this fix is very simple to explain without having to scream over the noise of an engine. But one of the things you want to do after this rig is running is remove your air cleaner. Once the air cleaner is removed, you have easy access to the idle mixture screws. Typically, there's going to be two towards the passenger side of the vehicle. In some cases, you'll have two on the driver's side as well. What these screws do is control the amount of air going into your air-fuel mixture. Because of factors like elevation and temperature in your area, your carburetor may not be performing like you'd want it to, so these screws are going to help to remedy that. So in order to start adjusting these idle mixture screws, you're going to want to get a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to start by very incrementally adjusting these screws. You do not want to overdo it. It's not going to take much. As you're making these incremental adjustments, you are going to hear the vehicle respond differently. Now what you're listening for is those RPMs to start sounding less sluggish. Again, very incremental turns. If you turn the screw one way and it starts to sound worse, turn it back the other way, play around with it, and eventually you will get a vehicle that is performing and functioning like it should. Once you hit the sweet spot, that's pretty much all there is to it. You can throw your air cleaner back on, go ahead and take a test drive, and go about your day. If you guys get into this process and you have more questions, feel free to get a hold of us and we will definitely help you out.